Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it's already almost 6 o'clock. I finished my coffee. Yeah, I didn't able to film when I left the workplace because the memory card of this camera is full and I don't have extra. So yeah, and I transferred it to my computer, and that is why just now I am filming. And yeah, I still have this good today because I have only this much of laundry because yeah, because I wash everything before my day off. Yeah, but this head cup still good. I will still use this tomorrow. And it's still wow, amazing. He won $250,000. Amazing. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Yeah, it's raining a little bit this time. The rain was started during my break time around 11:30 in the morning. Yeah, and I actually didn't complete my break time because when it rains I go back to the kitchen and started working. We only have a 30 minutes break, so I think my break was just 15 or 20 minutes. And now this is like this, not too much, it's just a sprinkle of water. And if you can see the horizon, you don't really see the other sides. Maybe there is a heavy rain on that side. Did we almost had it all? Today we did 200 packs. Yeah, but you know, I don't know why it feels just like normal 160, 180. Yeah, it doesn't feel 200. Maybe some of the guests, they don't come to eat in the breakfast. Maybe very early they go out and they enjoy the place and they have breakfast somewhere else. Oh, yesterday I didn't able to vlog along coming from my workplace until I get down to the house. But yeah, because I don't have a memory card, I was not aware that it's already full. Look at this, there are still some people even if it is raining. We are going today to the town center because I'm going to get some money from the ATM machine, or maybe in Walmart, because in the grocery you can withdraw money from their cash machine. Yeah, from the teller, from the cashier. Look at this house. This house is already done. Maybe just need some paint work. And look at that, it's beautiful. Yeah, the rain comes with a different kind of beauty for something. Like this one, it's beautiful because of the rain. I pray to someone like you, and I thank God. I'm a little bit concerned about my pannier because this is the first time that I use it with the rain. It says that it is waterproof, but I'm not really sure. Oh, just now I noticed this kind of flower, color red. It's different. From time to time you're going to notice something that is different. You don't see it, but on the top there is some kind of like a color red, like a crown. And yeah, still there are some people in here. Yeah, he caught a fish and he is cleaning it. If you look inside your heart to carry on. We're going to the Asian shop. I heard that they closed already, but You know, I'm not sure, because I was thinking that maybe the one that closed is the restaurant. Yeah, the Tintin one, because this Asian shop and that Asian restaurant in there in the marina, they are just one owner. They don't have much Filipino products these days. I don't know, but before they have many, mostly are Filipino products. Not anymore. I don't see that because it is cloudy. Because you know, this place is very near to the airport, also to the military air base. Yesterday I went to that Chinese restaurant and I bought fried noodles with chicken. Yeah, first time I tasted that, and it's good, but I'm not going to buy that anymore. Oh, I need to go back because I need to withdraw money. I need to get yeah, cash for my house rent. Yeah, I just got some money from NAB Bank. Yeah, it's not my bank, because like what I've said, the Commonwealth Bank has already closed from the other side of this place. Yeah, so I need to take money from there, and there is no charge even if you withdraw from other banks ATM machine. There's no extra fee. Yeah, this is what I bought: noodles, and this one, shrimp paste. Like what I've said, they don't have more Filipino products in there these days. So I'm going to put some of this chicken nuggets, just 3 pieces, and some of this frozen vegetable. We put now this seasoning. I will just let it boil, and I hope the rice will be cooked by the time it's cooked. Yeah. And the time is already 3:07. Yeah, 3:20 already. And now it's cooked. This is how it is. The chicken nugget that I put is now like this. Let's check how it is in here. It's like that. I leave some because I want to eat it with rice, but the rice is not yet cooked. Okay, the rice is now cooked. Yo, good day guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. There are 2 beautiful looking dogs in here. Nice. Yeah, 2 o'clock when I finish, and this time it's like this. It is too bright. It is blinding. Yeah, bright white. Oh, many people, they are fishing. As in, many of them are fishing. Family. Yeah, even on this side, they are fishing. And this is how it is at the moment. There are some people. That kind of ferry. Yeah, that is for the tourists. They are doing the dolphin watching. And the playground is open today. The same like the beaches, they are also open. Yeah, the closure was last for around 3 days. Yeah, that is because of the sewage leakage, overflowing. Yeah, the group will just finish, and now the next batch is coming to do the playing in there. I noticed that there is one guy that is having a real difficulty to, you know, moving in there, staying in there. Yeah, that that made me think that just being here, just being there is very tiring. Yeah, even if you are just standing in there, you always need to balance yourself for you not to go down to the water. And balancing by itself will be it's tiring. Yeah, now more and more people are coming. And many people are watching these days because this time because yeah, the nice temperature, not very hot today. It is now 3:31. I'm very hungry. I'm just going to reheat the rice that I had yesterday. This one. It's still good. And I'm going to cook the same instant noodle like yesterday. Yeah, this one. And you notice this one? It's like a cut. Without rice, it's not satisfying. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Today I finished at 2:30 already when I signed out. Oh, did I sign out? Oh, I forgot if I signed out. Feels like I didn't sign out. It's okay. Many cars here today. We are going to the Corlett store to buy something. I am very hungry. I'm also very tired. So we are not going to do pull-ups and chin-up today. We are waiting for the fish and chips. And they also have here the iced tea. Okay, we go. It is rough road there. I don't know why it is always rough road on that side. Yeah, because of the rain. They fixed that already, but now again it's like that. Oh, there are kids with their dad. They are on their bike. Yeah, nice, cute. The dad is walking and the kids are on their bike. I always ring the bell now whenever there are kids along the way. Yeah, especially when they are on their bike. Yeah, because the kids, they are expecting the adult to be doing the right thing. Clicking the bell is the right thing to do. Yeah, of course their parents, they are teaching their kids, oh, ring the bell whenever you need to do that. Something like that. I just received a message from Amazon. Amazon or Australia Post Office. Yeah, it says that my package arrived, delivered. So when I get home, for sure I am going to see that in there. And as expected, there are many people down there. And as usual, there are many people in here. Yeah, that is how it is. We stop here for a little bit to eat this. They put a regular salt. I prepared the chicken and salt. Yeah, we are now here in the town center, but yeah, we are going to the grocery and then we go home. Yeah, we are going to get minced meat for because I want to make longanisa. Oh, we take one pork and one beef. The pork is $7 and the beef is $8. We're also going to take one of this sugar, brown sugar. It is just $2.65. And it's how many grams is this? 1 kilo. If you compare to this one, this is just 500 grams and it's $2.15. This one is branded, this one is home brand. We take this one. This is just $1. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I got everything in my backpack. Oh, I don't have backpack. Bike bag. Okay, we are home. Yeah, I'm not really hungry because of the fish and chips that I eat. And I received this package from Amazon. This is actually a cover, a rain cover for my bike bag. This one is waterproof already. As you can see, this one is Cordura waterproof, but it's always better to be sure